So something that many people have mentioned is during training sessions that I've done is that when they come to write on a PowerPoint with the pen, when they pick up the pen to start writing, it simply acts as a left mouse button click and advances them to the next slide. A way around this, and usually the answer to the problem is, if you can see up in the top right hand corner up here, it says Smart Ink. To make it fully interact with any Microsoft package, so that's Excel, Word or PowerPoint, if it up here in the top right hand corner is saying Smart Ink, you're not fully integrating Smart Ink with Microsoft. And the way to turn that option on would be to go into File, Options, and then in this column over here of options, you want to go to Add-ins. Down there at the bottom of that latest screen, you want to go to the Go button and turn on Smart Ink PowerPoints All. Click OK, and then a few seconds later what you should notice is that where it said Smart Ink up here, it now says Microsoft Ink. So this is telling you now that the whiteboard is interacting fully with Microsoft, so that when we present our slides we can pick up pens, write on them. When we advance to the next slide, the ink will stay with the last slide and not be transferred onto the new one. And we can identify maybe items and words that are of interest. Move on to the next slide. Again, start to label things. So we're looking at this height here maybe is the important factor. And when we go back to slides, the ink that we put onto the slide is still there for us and the students to see. And that's generally how you get around most of the problems of writing on a PowerPoint. That will usually answer most of the problems and solve any issues with progressing to the next slide accidentally, or the ink not staying with each slide.